Hey guys, I wanted to show you how to use the Python interpreter that I've installed on all the lab computers. I've also installed something called, I think it's called a Python shell, which you can also use to capture whole modules as a program name. So I'm going to show you both those things, but I'll show you how to just use the interpreter first, because I think many of you guys can use that to check to see if your answers are correct on your worksheet before I submit them. So to get to that, what you're going to do is click on the start button here at the bottom of the screen, and then in the box where it says search for programming files, you're going to type in CMD. That stands for command line, and hit enter, and you'll get this box, and this is exactly what you need. So I'm going to make it a little bigger. Let's see if I can move it. Okay, so right now my directory is user/Mrs. Olson. When you're on your computer, it'll say something a little differently, but what you can do is just type the word Python here and hit enter, and then you should have the three greater than signs, which show that you're actually using the interpreter to run Python commands. So if I want to try something, so for example on the second worksheet, one of the first things you have to do is assign kebmo to the variable singer. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to say singer equals and the string kebmo. And I'm going to hit enter. Nothing happens, which is what we expect. And then if I do print, I don't need the capital key there, print singer, and I hit enter, kebmo is actually what's output. And that is actually one of the questions. So once again, when you put in the command print something, what's returned or what is output is only what is contained in that variable. So some of you guys on the first worksheet put print kebmo or print singer as the output. The output would be just what shows on the screen after the print command is run. So in this instance, what I'm looking for here is the word kebmo. So that's how to use the interpreter. To get out of it, you would just do Control Z and hit enter, and that exits you out of Python, and then you can just close the window. I'm going to do a separate video to show you how to use the idle program, which I think it's actually a Python shell. I'm not sure, that might not be the right term. But if you're done with all of your other Python worksheets, I want you to have a chance to use the shell to try and write your own programs. Okay, thanks.